Modifiers allow you to change the composable's size, layout, behavior, and appearance. We can create modifier by calling one of the modifier class functions. In our example here, we can use modifier class and using the padding. Okay, and using fill maximum width. Let us see our preview. Okay, an example using modifiers. Let us create a card with an image and text in a row. Here, let us add row. Adding image with paint resource. We using test image r dot drawable dot test. Okay, and content description equal null. And adding our text beside our image here. As you see, our image size too large and our text not arranged. Here we can add a modifier to our own. Modifier dot size, let's say 50 dp, and a clip shape, circle shape. Okay, and adding a border, a 1.5 dp, and the color, material color, material scene dot colors, dot background, and shape, circle shape. Okay, as shown. And here let us add overall padding for our row. Modifier equal padding all equal to 8 dp. Okay, let us check our preview. Okay, order of modifiers. The order of modifier function is significant. For example, if we add a clickable function to our row here, after padding function here, our clickable area excluding padding area, but if we make our clickable function before padding, let us test here. If we test our clickable area including padding area. Okay, so take care about modifiers functions order.